Even if your password gets stolen, you can still protect your account. That's the power of two-factor authentication, or 2FA. So, what is it? Two-factor authentication adds a second step when you log in. After entering your password, you'll confirm it's really you, usually with a code sent to your phone, email, or an authenticator app. It's like locking your front door and then setting the alarm. Why does it matter? Because passwords can leak. Hackers guess them, reuse them, or steal them in data breaches. But with two-factor authentication turned on, they can't get in, even if they know your password. Here's how to set it up. Go to your account's security or privacy settings. Find two-factor authentication or two-step verification. Choose your method: text message, email, or authenticator app. Follow the steps to link your device. When it's done, you'll enter your password like normal. Then confirm with your phone or app. And that's it. A few quick tips. Use an authenticator app when you can. It's safer than text messages. Start with your most important accounts: email, banking, and social media. And never share your codes with anyone. It only takes a minute to turn on 2FA, but it could save you from a hacked account later. If this helped, give it a like and subscribe for more beginner-friendly tech tips every week.